Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool item. This is a handheld field phone, and this is a TA1 PT. And this is Jack's telephone. And Jack probably purchased this from someone, and that person sent it directly to us in care of Jack. And so we've done work before for Jack, and now he has this TA1. And what we're going to do is kind of show it to you. This is the initial checkout. And this one actually has its own case, and it has its shoulder belt. So it's a very cool situation. Kind of give you a look at that. And this may be the first time Jack has even got to see this, other than maybe a picture or two when he probably purchased it. And so we're going to be contacting Jack about this and find out exactly what he wants done with this, other than turning it into a regular telephone. And I want to kind of set this case over to the side a little bit. Very cool. And that kind of gives you a look at it. Basically, when we turn this into a telephone, we don't have too much need for this type of plug on it. So that will be removed. This is the old field plug that they would use. Kind of gives you a look at that. And the way that these operated was you pushed them down and made your connection. That opens a slot up right there, and then you let go of it and it clamps your wire in there. Pretty cool ideal. So anyway, I have some of this loose. This is the initial checkout. I was going to remove the receiver cap here. And then this is a transmitter cover. Set that to the side. The actual transmitter. And then we'll go for the receiver. We'll pull that out. Pretty cool stuff. There's an indicator here for when you get a call. And not only that, it has a mechanical ringer on the bottom here. And then this is the off position for the mechanical ringer when they would get a signal. And then you could turn it up. So it's a pretty simple ideal, but it worked really well. And so that's why they used it. Simple, but works. So that's in the off position. And then you would get louder with your ring. Now this one's marked, looks like B49. And then we have our tag on the back, TA1 PT. And it's got the Lionel Corporation, New York, New York. And then it's got an order number for the actual order number, like a catalog number probably, for the item. And then we have our belt clip on here. That's on the bottom side, so you would actually carry it this way. It would fit on your belt unless you had the carrying case. And then inside here, what you see is just the workings of what the mechanical ringer would be and everything. Since this is the initial checkout, I could go ahead and probably try to open this up if everything works all right. Sometimes you run into problems trying to take these apart. That's with anything, though. any telephone. We'll see how it goes. And what we hope to do is be able to make sure that this mechanical ringer does function. Now, I'm not sure if Jack wants this painted. There's a lot of people who would just like the way that this is right now, because although a lot of the paint is wore off, you know, it has that patina to it that, you know, this was in a used environment. And so, you know, some people go for that. Some people want that instead of, you know, any other kind of a situation. But my best guess on this would be, you know, if Jack wanted it painted, although we could paint it, I don't think it would be as good as if it was taken to like a body shop and had it like powder coated. That would probably be, you know, if you were going to go that route, that would be the route to take, really, I think. I think we have a lot more to take off here. We've done a few of these, turned them into regular extension phones. But I work on so many telephones, you can't, you know, really remember how to take every one of them apart. So there might be a lot more to this, and I might not be able to pull this off right on the video. Thinking we're probably going to have to break the seal, but I don't quite remember. Now we have our crank in here. That's our signal to the other, like to wherever the other field phone would be. You would signal them, and then you would press to talk. And I'm sure I'm not thinking that Jack wants this press to talk button active, but we will talk to him about that and see what exactly he wants. Most people would forget to press to talk, or, you know, it'd be kind of a pain to have to do that every time. But it just depends on, you know, what he wants. And if that's the way he wants it, then we'll set it up that way. And then if he wants that press to talk switch disabled, we can do that too. But this gives you a little look at it. This is probably the first look that Jack has had of this telephone, this handset, this field phone, since he purchased it from the person that he got it from. They're just a very cool telephone. And once one of these has been converted, I mean, they're built like tanks, so it's virtually going to last forever. I just wanted to get a video of that for you. This is the initial checkout. Actually, I'm just trying to stand it up. They're not really meant to stand up, but that gives you a look at it. And this signal here that I want to get working for Jack is when this handset gets a call after we're done, hopefully we can get the signal to work, and not only will it mechanically ring and have that knock, then what you'll have is a signal, and it'll almost look like a light in there. But this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Jack's handheld TA1. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.